Hello and welcome to the magical world of the angels on the earth. In this video of Angels on Earth, I am going to unbox an oracle card. So this particular oracle card that I'm going to unbox is the Angel Answer Oracle card, and this is the one that I have used quite often in my reading since quite many years. And one special thing about this particular card deck is that earlier it was created by Doreen Virtue as well as Redley Valentine, who is now the author of it completely. So as Doreen Virtue is no more doing the oracle card reading, this card deck is now relaunched recently with Redley Valentine as the author of this oracle card. Another special thing about this particular oracle card deck is that out of all the other oracle card decks I have experienced in my life, this is the only oracle card deck which gives a very straight answers, like a yes and no answer, time period answer and all of that, if someone is looking for a very specific predictions, as mostly oracle card decks are used for guidance and not really for prediction. So this can be used for both. So I'm going to unbox that for you, and honestly, unboxing actually means that it has just come to me and I am unwrapping it in front of you. So this is not really an authentic unboxing video, yet I thought about making this as my first video, as this is a really nice card deck, so why should we leave it behind? And yes, after this I'm going to make many videos in which I will be unboxing certain oracle card decks, which will be unwrapping and then total unboxing, promise. So let's dive into this particular card deck, and here we go. So if you actually see, it has a very good box as it is designed by Hay House. Most of the Hay House boxes have very good quality, so this has a good quality. It is a glossy finish. There's a write-up at the back of the card deck as well. It also says that such as yes and no answers and all. So coming to the cards now, once you unbox this card deck and take the cards out, you will see that there are these beautiful cards. They are in glossy finish, most of them, like all of them. And as a lot of Hay House cards have, and a lot of Doreen Virtue cards in the past had, it has this golden lining, if you see, are all around. This is really a beautiful, look, and even the look of the card is really beautiful. So this is how the card looks like. I think there are some more in there. So these are the cards, and then it also has a booklet that comes along with this. So I'm going to keep the box at the side. And these are the cards. This is how the cards look like, and the booklet, it's a nice booklet there. And inside, if you'll see, so they have given the details on how to work with the Angel Answer oracle cards, some of the questions to be asked, the steps to take, and then description of each card, as usually the guided booklets of the oracle cards have. So choose the new direction. So this is how it is. So the booklet in itself has black and white image, black and white look, yet the outside is really nice. So that's the booklet. Now moving to the cards. So let's dive into the energy of the Angel Answer oracle cards. Here we go. A year from now, as I was mentioning already, that these cards have time specific answers too, and they're very elaborate if you see the pictures, so they are very elaborative. Perfect timing. In the near future. Ask for help from others. Helpful people. Forgiveness. Compromise. Yes. Success. Take action. Not the right time. Remain positive. Reconsider. Look for a sign. It's up to you. Trust. I just love this card, how beautifully, it just shows this man with folded hands, the fire there. It's really beautiful the way this whole thing is made. If you believe. Improving health. Communicate clearly. Get more information. Ask your angels. Let go. Within the next few weeks. Again, another time card. Romance. This actually gives me the feeling of Two of Cups, actually. Yeah. So, listen to your intuition. This actually is the cover of the card, like the back of the card as well. The same design, same picture. Beautiful. Okay, big happy change. Amazing. Very vibrant cards. Peaceful resolution. Yeah, I'm seeing there's this theme of rainbow in almost all the cards. There's this mix of colors. Meditation brings answers. No card. Yeah, here is the no card. The situation will improve, and we have these beautiful dolphins at the back. Amazing. Choose a new direction. Yeah. No need to worry. Beautiful card again with the rainbow. You are ready. See here the rainbow again at the back. Don't stop. A yes card. This is the second yes card in the deck. Recovery. It's so beautiful how it's shown. There's this angel with huge wings at the back, which is like green in color, so Raphael. And yeah, and the angel is just holding the back, so angels have your back and the recovery is there. Wait. That looks like Archangel Michael with the sword in the hands and purple color and purple wings. There is something better. Unlikely. Within next few months. And there's a whole golden theme in a lot of these cards. The entire frame of the card is golden, which is also pretty beautiful here. Abundance, and again a woman with a lot of gold coins and just shoveling the gold coins. Beautiful. Be assertive. See again the rainbow at the back. No, the second no card, right? And then opportunity. So we see the gold coins just raining, just flowing from above. So that was the entire angel answer oracle card deck. I hope you can sense the energy of it. I wasn't really in favor of doing the oracle card decks, but recently I was really pulled towards the oracle cards, and it really contributed to me to go and see the reviews of these cards before I order them. And I am really making these videos to I just want to contribute. I would just wish to contribute to you to have more ease with the angels, to have more ease with these oracle card decks. And please let me know if this video has been a contribution to you. I would really be looking forward for your comments. And yeah, so that was Shree Dembla. If I can be of any contribution to you to connect you with angels, to connect you with your own self, your own powers and potencies, I'll be very glad. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.